Hi, welcome to this course. This course is an overview I have prepared. My name is Shekhar and I am the software engineer from past 2 decades. Now I have involved how the freshers and beginners how to learn easy way to learn the Python language and the program which is designed to prepare. Now see how it is the overview about. See, this is the course is complete Python from scratch. You can learn from the scratch as a beginner and exit as an expert. And the course is designed from the starting beginners to and learn the basics from the Python, the understanding of the Python, and learning one by one, preparing the games and all, and involving into the object-oriented programming. And next, they have to ready to jumpstart to involve into the Django one framework to implement and develop like an e-commerce website. Likewise, I have taken the person from scratch to advanced level of developing e-commerce portal. All right, now see here, you can use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down your videos for complete program at any time. 24 by 7, which you are connected to the internet device, you can be used to speed up anytime and slow down the videos. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet, using mobile or computer system, which is available and possible to you. Make sure to use FAQs and practical exercise that surely you have to practice. Then you will have a good command of Python programming language. And now see how to get help. If you are stuck somewhere, how to get. And check your knowledge using documents. What we are giving in a notes, you have to cross check it and you have to practice your code, what you have written, check the syntaxes wise and lines what you have written by taking up the help rewinding the videos. For an instance, quick help if any stuck somewhere else. You use the Google to take an help or Stack Overflow is search is there where exactly you are getting an error problem or error occurrence your compilation time. Take that error message and place it to the Google or like a Stack Overflow and search the based on the error message. You will get a proper message on quick help. On submitting your queries and Q&A form details of what you have available here, like Udemy is there and YouTube comments is there to comment you to reach us. Harisystems is there for always take you in a guidelines for these helplines. And try it with a screenshot and error of the code of you have to practice. Best way to approach the course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. What you are going to be practicing your sessions, you have to review and follow the videos guide with the documents, extra information we are going to offering you an exercises where you have to think about it and you need to do to implement your analytical skills. Anyhow, you will be provided an hands-on exercise statement, problem statement as well as answer statement would be provided to you where you have to practice follow the answer statement. And now the information, review the certain information by reading examples of all the part of the video sessions. And thank you for watching this session. I hope you will be in the course. Welcoming you.